MarketPulse, Friday, April 10th. Markets breathing easier as Iran ceasefire talks spark a broad relief rally. S&P futures at 68.25, up 0.6%. Nasdaq leading at 22.822, up 0.8. Dow at 48.186, up 0.6.
The catalyst, first direct US-Iran diplomatic talks since the ceasefire began. Markets pricing in reduced geopolitical risk as both sides signal openness to dialogue. The Strait of Hormuz remains closed, but investor anxiety is clearly fading, with the VIX dropping to 1934.
Risk on rotation in full swing this morning. Consumer discretionary leading at plus 1.7%, followed by industrials up 1%. Energy surprisingly weak, down 1.2% despite ongoing Middle East tensions. Classic defensive to cyclical shift happening. Consumer discretionary and industrials capturing optimism about reduced supply chain disruptions. Meanwhile, energy paradoxically selling off as traders bet the geopolitical premium fades faster than expected. Individual stock winners tell the story. Amazon up 5.6% on earnings optimism. Intel surging 4.7% as chip demand revival continues. Micron up 3.6%, Applied Materials gaining 3.1%, Netflix adding 2.7%. On the flip side, Palantir crashing 7.3% on guidance concerns. Palo Alto Networks down 3.9% in the security sell-off. Coinbase losing 3.5%, Salesforce down 3.1%, IBM falling 1.9%.
WTI, crude steady at 98.07, Brent at 96.04, 10-year yield holding 4.29%, gold pulling back to 47.8250, Bitcoin bouncing to 72,168, up 0.6%. Light economic calendar today with select earnings from smaller names. Focus remains squarely on geopolitical developments and any updates from the US-Iran diplomatic track.
3 things to watch today. Number 1, US-Iran direct talks, the first diplomatic engagement since the ceasefire, with markets watching for straight reopening timeline. Number 2, the hardware versus software split, chip stocks surging while software names lag. Number 3, energy sector paradox, oil steady but XLE down 1.2%. MarketPulse is for informational and educational purposes only. Nothing in this episode constitutes financial advice or investment recommendations. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results.